10 lines on hospital. A hospital is a place where sick and injured people are treated. It is an institution that deals with healthcare activities. People suffering from diseases go to hospitals and come back after recovering. There is also a medical store in a hospital. There are different departments for different health issues. Hospitals play most important role during the war days. The doctors and nurses work day and night for patients. Laboratory is available in the hospitals for blood tests. People get free treatment in government hospitals. Hospitals are equipped with advanced medical technologies.